It's Namo chant well and truly all over LK Advani's campaign for Gandhinagar constituency. The party patriarch hit the campaign trail for the second time in less than a week, hoping to repeat his past performance. But for the party workers who are assisting him during his roadshows, it's clear on why they are rooting for him. In less than a week, Mr. LK Advani has hit the streets for his campaign second time. And in fact, on Sunday, he had carried out a roadshow in Bawla area. That's in the rural areas of his constituency, Gandhinagar. And now, today, as you can see, he has been campaigning in more urban pockets, areas, segments such as Sabarmati and Naranpura. Now, these are areas which have traditionally been strong BJP bastions. But he is on his own. He's been trying to carry out an intensive campaign. In fact, campaigning has come at a time and there's been a lot of political drama was played out while allotment of the tickets. Mr. Advani himself was a little reluctant in contesting from Gandhinagar. Eventually he had to buckle down to the pressure of the party and also to the BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. And finally, he is campaigning for himself in this particular in Gandhinagar constituency. For the party workers, for the unit, they're trying to galvanize the entire party structure. But if you look at his roadshows, if you look at his rallies, there is a distinct stamp of Namo chant which goes on every time he holds a rally or every time he holds a roadshow. Advani himself has in fact considered during these roadshows, during this campaign, that it's basically a campaign, his victory for a BJP led by the BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की शानदार विजय होगी। हम इस बार बहुमत जब प्राप्त करेंगे तो नरेंद्र भाई मोदी को देश का प्रधानमंत्री बनाएंगे।
कहीं आपको ऑप्शन दिया जाए मोदी जी और आडवाणी जी के बीच प्रधानमंत्री बनने के लिए तो किसको चुनेंगे आप?
मोदी। I love मोदी।
मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बनने चाहिए आडवाणी जी?
मोदी जी।
क्यों?
गुजरात में जो काम किया है उसके हिसाब से।
Clearly for LK Advani, the senior most party leader, there is a distinct stamp of the Gujarat chief of the BJP's Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his roadshows. One which is going on through the urban areas, to the city areas of his constituency. Earlier he held one roadshow which went through the predominantly rural areas, but today concentrating on the urban centers. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Natwat Parmar, Rohit Ban for NDTV.